Did you get a picture?
I did not
Grant?
get the boys.
Okay. All right, Grant, here, come and get you another stir, and then we'll let you have another stir. So Papa can get a picture.
No, I didn't get a still.
Is it heavy?
No.
Did you get it?
Oh my God,
Wow,
with the
I
camcorder.
did it.
Okay, Christian.
Send me a star next.
Yeah. Wow.
Pretty yellow.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. They don't want to work anymore, Kristen.
Okay, let Addison have a turn. Did you get a picture, Addison?
I don't want to
Well, what did with the camcorder?
You did with the camcorder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kristen, are you?
All right, let me have it. Let me see.
Are you? Is Kristen working? Yes.
What?
Who's it?
No.
Who's it?
It's just
It
an
says
extra.
Lowe's. It says Lowe's on it.
Oh, you got the pink from Lowe's?
Yep.
Lowe's by Addison. Lowe's by
Where's my cups? Where's your plate, Addison? My cups are behind me.
This one. Right, I need these two.
Okay. Hang on. Cindy, will you check on those clothes, please? Oh boy. You're on Grant's pajamas.
No.
Christians.
Christians,
That's
rather.
okay.
No, that's why you had them send old clothes. in.
I don't work all. It's this paint.
Yeah.
That's right, it's just paint. It'd be alright. It blends in, to tell you the truth.
That is.
And then no, Christian, no. And you can put the plate in there and get a scoop with the plate. After this,
Don't get it all over you, baby. Christian. I'll end up giving him a bath later. Alright. It's got a lot of paint on it, too. Alright, Addison, come on.
Why one drink? I had too much of it. Hey! Hey, Christian!
Stop. Bust my can, boy.
play symbol. I get a baby rat.
Christian.
Ask Wayne.
Yeah, see, I had too much paint on his.
I'm gonna do it.
I got it on this side. Turn on here.
It's not that ticklish. You're going to put too much on mine.
No, I'm not.
That one's fine. But really ticklish. I need another screwdriver.
Peanut, what are you doing?
I need a screwdriver. Tickle. I found a little ball.
Turn around.
Okay.
No, relax your hand. Relax. Relax. Straight down. And pull straight off.
Wow.
That one's real pretty. Here.
That looks good.
Yeah. I don't know if we have another one or not.
No, that's called a waffle.
Oh, her hand's turned out good, except for I need to push on the palm a little bit more.
Hey, can I see who that's calling in the living room? See who's calling.
Where's the phone?
It's over there. Be careful, it's...
Probably ain't nobody. She's running.
578-6799.
Get it, it's Ryan.
Hello?
My dad.
Yeah, it's your dad.
Hello?
Hey.
You got Daddy.
How are you doing? Good.
Jim's here and Joseph's at Mark's. I don't know what time.
We're waiting on Todd to call.
Oh, they're waiting on Todd to call.
He's got to go get the truck.
He's got to go get the truck.
Grant, you got Daddy. Grant Bragg.
We're putting.
You the butt. You got Daddy.
Okay, she probably will.
Grant.
I want to.
Grant.
I want to.
He said no, Christian does.